In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at the new vertical resolution UI in DaVinci Resolve and how you can manipulate it. So this timeline here has a normal non-vertical resolution, and I can close my media pool. I can drag my media pool smaller like this, and that's nice to work with. But when I go to a vertical timeline, as you can see, I now have this vertical view here. I can move it to the right, but I cannot make this media pool smaller. I cannot turn it off. And it's the new vertical layout for DaVinci Resolve. You either like it or you don't. And first I was trying to move all this because I want this one in the middle, or at least I want to close this one. I want this to behave like it behaved before. So there's an option for that. When you go to DaVinci Resolve and you go to Preferences, and here in User UI Settings, you have an option to use the optimized UI layouts for vertical video. If I uncheck this and then I save, as you can see now, it has already changed, but I still have the option to move this much more and even close it down. So this is much more the same way of editing a non-vertical timeline. This one. Here I can turn on my media pool. If I go back to my vertical one, the media pool is also visible, but I can turn it off. So if you like to edit your vertical videos more in the same way as you did the non-vertical videos, just go to the DaVinci Resolve Preferences and choose in the User UI Settings to not optimize for vertical video. And it's as easy as that. It's just how you like it. I like it more like this, but I do see that the vertical layout has its plus points and it can be nice, but I think I'm just too used to working like this. But anyway, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.